Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play against training bots and attempt to access bot lobbies in Clash Royale. Now the process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now the best way to practice a new deck or master your skills without losing your trophies is by challenging the official training bot, and here's how to find the training camp. First, from the main menu, look at the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll find 3 horizontal lines or hamburger menu. Click on that, and when the menu appears, look for the option that says Training Camp. Then click on that. Now this will give you a pop-up. Click on OK, and after that, it'll immediately launch you into a match against the AI trainers. Now you can practice as long as you want. You can pause or even exit at any time you want as well, and it'll also not affect your trophy road progress. Now, if you want to try to get into easier matches against bot players on the actual trophy road, or the real deal, there is a specific method that players have discovered to trick the matchmaking system, but be warned that this does not have a 100% success rate. So here is how to do it. Again, just simply go back to your main battle menu or the battle screen and rapidly tap the battle button, and then quickly tap the cancel option. You need to do this very quickly as shown here. Do this multiple times until the battle button and the cancel option completely disappear. Immediately after that, the game will load you into a match and you will also not have the option to cancel it again. In theory, the quick canceling can sometimes cause confusion in the matchmaking server, causing it to place you against a bot instead of a real player. Now remember though, you will sometimes still end up matching against real humans, so use the trick with caution. And that's it. Now you know the official way to train against the AI and the trick to try to find easier bot lobbies on the ladder. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.